Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to do Allure Beauty Box, so let's get into it. Check it out. Allure Beauty Box comes out monthly. It is $25 now and you receive I think 6 items, 3 of which they say will be full sized and it will have greater than a $100 value. When we take it out, this is what our paperwork looks like. It will tell us a little bit on the inside about each of the items. And these are those said items. I don't think I saw spoilers for this month. And this is April. We are absolutely running behind. You guys know this was our FabFitFun month. So we are running behind. So let's just reach right in. We have, Commodity Book. This is the book fragrance of the commodity. The scent space is expressive. I think that's the one that's, whoa. I think it comes in 3 scent spaces. Personal, is it? No, expressive might be the second one. Let's read about it and see if it tells me. We just had these in our FabFitFun boxes and I received all of these scents. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this untouched so I can add it to a giveaway because I've recently tried it and Book was one of the ones that I like. Luckily, I like the Commodity Gold the best because it's the full-size one that we got in our spring FabFitFun boxes. But this is Commodity Book Expressive, springtime bottled. This bergamot fragrance is crisp and green like freshly cut grass, warmed a touch by cozy notes of sandalwood and cedarwood. But it still manages to stay as fresh as the season, making it a cool alternative to spring's many floral fragrances. And it has a $24 value for 10 ml. This is 2 ml, so 1/5. So this is just a skosh under $5 in value. It does not say what the scent space is. So maybe expressive is the middle one, because see the picture? It's got the dot in the middle, so that's for the personal one. This must be expressive. Let me know below. Is it bold? It might be bold that's the most expressive one. Okay, next out we have a Real Her I-E-Y-E Am Influential Shadow Stick. That is what that looks like. Our color is still a mystery. It's a mystery. It is. I don't see it on the outside. Oh, no. Actually, I think it is not a chance. Can you guys see in the reflection of that at all? I think it's written on there. There's 0% chance I pull that off. We'll see if the paperwork tells us. Get it out. That is what it looks like. I'm suspecting that it is a brown Real Her Cream Eyeshadow Stick in chocolate. Why you'll love it. Eyeshadow sticks could not be easier to use, and this one is as foolproof as they come. Blend the chocolatey brown over your lids for a smoky neutral look that's soft yet sexy. Perfect for a totally non-boring daytime look or a classic evening style. It is a $19.99 value, so this is one of our full priced items. I'm going to twist this up just a little bit for you guys to see. I am not going to put it on me. That is a very dark brown. I would never, I am not great. I wish I was better with shadow sticks. I can use them if they're a really light color because then I just smear them all over my lids and then blend them out just a skosh with my finger. But the darker ones that I would be more inclined to like put in my crease, and I'm just not that good. So we will tuck that away too. Next out, I have the Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. And it says shea butter, hyaluronic, vitamin B3, seawater, and sweet almond. I have to read more about that, but that is what that looks like. It's full size, so it's going to be $1 billion because the Avant stuff is always crazy through the roof. This night cream is delightfully light on skin, which makes it great for sleeping in, even after the muggiest spring days, and you don't have to worry about it rubbing off on your pillow. While you dream, it works hard to add moisture using a trio of serious hydrators, shea butter, sodium hyaluronate, and sweet almond oil, which also makes the formula smell amazing, like an almond croissant. Niacinamide smooths, minimizes pores, and fades redness. This is a 50 ml bottle and it has a $114 value. That's not quite $1 billion, but it's $114. I know this is making for a really boring video, but I'm not going to open this. I have very, very sensitive skin and it has come up so many times on the channel. People have said, do you know what you're sensitive to? And the list is long, kind of long. But I don't use any of the vitamin C products. I don't use any of the vitamin A products. I cannot use retinol. I think I am discovering that I might have a problem with niacinamide. I don't think it's like an overarching, I can never use niacinamide, but if it's not really low in the ingredients, I think it irritates my skin. I've been looking and searching for what irritates me more, and I discovered that the whole point of niacinamide is to like erase age spots and that kind of thing over time. Well, it makes sense then that that might be one of the things that irritates my skin, because anything that's is just, all of that to say, I'm not going to open this. I'm going to go ahead and leave it sealed, especially for $114, so that I can pass it along. Okay. Next out, we have an Aveda. I'll use this. Botanical Repair Strengthening Overnight Serum. Oh, I like the idea of overnight because so many things, my hair is so thin. I actually did not put any of, I have used every day since we got it in our FabFitFun box, I think, every day that I've washed, the Fleek Volumizing Root Treatment. I didn't use it today, and man, my hair is flat. I did not realize what a huge difference that was making volumizing my hair. But so often I can't put anything that's a serum in my hair the morning of the day that I do it when it's fresh, because it will then weight it down and make it, it almost separates my hair. That's how fine my hair is. So overnight works best for me. Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Overnight Serum. Why you'll love it. This leave-in serum treats your hair while you snooze, so you can wake up to less frizz and flyaways. Its smoothing powers are thanks largely to a few key ingredients. Botanical oils, including avocado and a plant called Sacha Inchi, work overtime to prevent breakage and split ends, that's fantastic, while they smooth over existing damage so it's less noticeable. Despite the bountiful oils, hair doesn't feel weighed down in the slightest. Rather, it feels just as bouncy as it would after a blowout, and considerably healthier too. Post-shower, after your hair has mostly dried, dispense 2 pumps into your hands and comb the serum through the entirety of your hair before calling it a night. I wash my hair in the morning, so what? Do I use it in the morning post shower, or do I use it at night on dry hair? This is 1 fluid ounce, 30 ml. A full size is 100 ml, and that's $52. So we have about a third of that. So this is right around a $17 value. Well, I'm gonna have to get online and see what they say, because I don't wash my hair at night. If I wash my hair at night, my hair would never look good, because the only time my hair looks halfway decent is fresh off of a wash and a blowout. It immediately starts becoming more lifeless, and by the time I've slept on it once, whether it's an hour after washing it or almost 24 hours after washing it, it's never the same. If you are a hair person and you know the answer to that, I would love to have your opinion. Next out, we have a Rodial Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask, Hydrate and Tone XXL Hydrating Mask, and Skin Plumper with 3D Filling Spheres. And what's that say? Gransil, Gransil? I don't know what that is. We have 1.7 ounces. I suspect this is going to be another full-size product for us. Our full-size products were this Rodial, the eyeshadow, and the Avant. In skincare, the word mask is often synonymous with the word mess, but Rodial's lightweight formula is so well absorbed by skin that you can even use this hydrating mask as an overnight treatment. But Rodial's lightweight formula is so well absorbed by the skin that you can even use this hydrating mask as an overnight treatment for an extra boost of moisture. How's that for beauty sleep? It's called Dragon's Blood, but the key ingredients here are actually moisturizing hyaluronic acid and glycerin, plus soothing squalene and a cooling, non-sticky gel. And this is a $58 value. Technically, it doesn't have anything I can't use in it. The very, very last ingredient is citric acid. Citric acid is one of those things because, you know, vitamin C is sometimes a problem for me, but I suspect as the very last ingredient, it might be okay. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. It's kind of a cross between a cream and a gel. My hand needs that. I just cleaned off my hand in my last video with a face wipe, and man, it left me dry. Oh, it smells nice. What is that scent? It's kind of fresh and almost citrusy. Oh, almost citrusy. Kind of lotiony. Very nice. Oh, wow. It is absorbing so quickly. You know what? I'm going to put a little bit on this hand too. I mean, I'm not always going to use it as a hand cream, unless my face doesn't like it, and then I might just. I am disinclined these days to waste things. I have finally been convinced. So many of you have said, if it doesn't work on your face, use it on your hands or your neck, and that's a great idea. I don't know why, instinctively, I don't think of that. Yeah, this is absorbing quickly. We're gonna give that a try. Last out, I have a plain white box that says shopflamingo.com. Let's see what it is. Oh, it slides out from the bottom. Oh, that's pretty. I can always do razors. And this one is pretty. It holds very nicely. Can you see the lavender of it? It's very nice. How many blades is that? Like 46? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5 blades. It seemed more dramatic than that. Let's see what the paperwork says. The paperwork says Flamingo Razor, and it has in brackets sponsor. So they must have paid to be in the box, perhaps. What does it take for one razor to be noticeably better than other razors? So much better that it wins an Allure Best of Beauty award? For starters, it's got to deliver a smooth, nick-free shave, and it can't have any of the common razor drawbacks. Hair gunking everything up after just one use, new blades so sharp then they cut your ankles. With Flamingo, you can check all the boxes, which is why it won our top honor. As I moved the razor across my skin, the hair just fell off in one easy swipe. Plus, it's comfortable to hold and looks pretty sitting in your shower. Well, that's absolutely true. This has an $8 value. I mean, honestly, that's almost kind of a bargain because razors are wicked expensive. The last new razor I tried was actually fairly recently. I got in one of my boxes the Ipsy razor and the Refreshments razor. I haven't done a review on it yet because honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I have a little bit of a cold. I'm gonna take a little bit of tea. I'm just not sure how I feel about it. Not this one. The Ipsy Refreshments one. It gave me a great shave, but the goo, you know, they put the strips on it to make it glide more smoothly. I can't think of another word to use, so I just have to use this. It felt so snotty to me. You know, it was slimy, and I thought, well, it's just because it's the first time you're using the razor. It will fade. It wasn't bad on my legs, but on my underarms, it was difficult to deal with all that slime. Slime is a better word. It was really difficult to deal with all that slime. So as I continued using it, it continued to make the slime. It's still making the slime. I've used it a few times now, but I'm getting a decent shave. But honestly, I don't know that it's worth that slimy feeling. Let me know if you've used the Refreshments razors and if you feel the same way, if you found a way to get around it. If I'm just being too picky, let me know. So we will give this one a try too. I'm hair falling out, splitting, breaking. Everywhere else, I need to shave almost every day. That was our April Allure Beauty Box. We had our razor, which you just have to trust me, that's a razor. The Rhodial Overnight Mask, the Commodity Book Sample Perfume, the Real Her Eyeshadow Pencil, the Avant. What was the Avant? I already forget. Deluxe Hyaluronic Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Interesting. This is a face and eye night cream, and this is an overnight mask. I'm just saying. Odd choice. Then we have the Aveda Botanical Repair. This one you're supposed to use overnight too, but you're also supposed to put it on damp hair from the shower. So I'm not sure how I'm going to make that work. That is the April box. If you got it, let me know what you think. I generally find the box to be worth the value. I mean, the value is absolutely there monetarily if the products work for you. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.